Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a roll-up summary field in Salesforce. This feature is useful for automatically calculating totals, counts, and other values from related records. Let's get started. On your Salesforce dashboard, to create a roll-up summary field, click the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Once you see it, click on it and then select Setup. This is where we manage all Salesforce settings. From here, click the Object Manager tab and choose the object you want to work with. For this example, we will go to Account. Under Account, select Fields and Relationships. Now, under Fields and Relationships, click New to create a new field. On this screen, we can see the available field types. We need to scroll down and find the Roll-Up Summary option. Let's go ahead and select it. Once selected, make sure the option is available for your object. If it is, click Next to continue. Here, we can now choose Roll-Up Summary as our field type. Once selected, scroll down and click Next. Under the label, give your field a name. For example, we will call it Sample Roll-Up Summary and add a short description. Then click Next when you are done. Now we need to choose the related object. For example, if we are working with opportunities, we can select the type of calculation we want, such as sum. Then choose the field to calculate, like amount. If we want to include all records, just select All Records and click Next. Review everything on the summary screen. Click Next once more to confirm, then click Save when you are ready to finish creating your roll-up summary field. And that's how we create roll-up summary fields in Salesforce. With this feature, we can automate data calculations and get more accurate reports across our Salesforce records.